Stop wasting time guessing. Let's dive headfirst into the ultimate design showdown. Kittl vs Creative Fabrica. First up, Kittl. Notice the sleek, intuitive interface. Start by exploring their diverse range of pre-designed templates. Perfect if you need a quick logo, social media graphic, or even print-on-demand design. Click to select a template that fits your needs. Customization is key. Change fonts, colors, and even upload your own assets to personalize your design. Kittl excels in creating intricate text effects and vintage-inspired designs with impressive ease. Experiment with their numerous filters and effects for a unique touch. Now, let's check out Creative Fabrica. This platform is a treasure trove of design assets. Unlike Kittl's focused editor, Creative Fabrica offers millions of fonts, graphics, and craft designs available for download. Search for specific elements like watercolor illustrations or vintage fonts using the search bar. Download your chosen assets. The key difference: you'll need external design software like Photoshop or Illustrator to edit these downloaded files. Creative Fabrica is great for resources, but requires more design skill and additional software to fully utilize them. So, which reigns supreme? Kittl's all-in-one editor is perfect for quick, on-the-fly design, especially if you are a beginner. Creative Fabrica offers a vast library of resources, ideal for experienced designers who need a wide range of assets and enjoy using external software. The choice is yours.